CrewAI, LangGraph, and Notion are all about orchestrating workflows, but they approach it very differently. CrewAI is built around autonomous AI agents working together as a team. It shines when you need agents to collaborate on complex tasks like research or content creation. The setup is fairly straightforward, and its strength lies in managing multiple AI roles with minimal manual oversight. LangGraph focuses on building and visualizing AI agent flows, almost like mapping a conversation or reasoning chain. It's ideal for developers who want more control over agent states and decision paths, offering deep customization and debugging tools. It's more technical, but very powerful. Notion, on the other hand, is a general automation tool, not just for AI. It connects APIs, apps, and services into drag-and-drop workflows. While it doesn't specialize in agent collaboration, you can integrate AI models into Notion to trigger automated responses or data pipelines. So if you want AI teams out of the box, definitely go CrewAI. It's the best. For developers building complex logic around AI, LangGraph takes the win. And if you need a broad automation platform with AI hooks, Notion is the most versatile. Do you want me to dive deeper into CrewAI versus LangGraph in a head-to-head breakdown? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments also what else you'd like to see from us. And like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.